Boss, half time, Nathan. Manalo dito. Kalabay na, boy. Counted. Sabi, bakbakan talaga sila.
Nice defense on the pickoff point. Oh, tweaks his foot. Oh, no.
Ito, maglalaban. Android, kaya si Kanoy TV. Let's go! Okay, second round magkatapat. Android, JC. Tsaka si Kanoy TV. Dave. Ayan. Ang laban to. Round 2. Okay, game. Free throw.
Free throw. For Villiers.
Game. Game. Ah, dalawa cheerleader. Tikisa sila. Tikas.
Villiers has it. We're getting some nostalgia here with this matchup. They both feel the sense of urgency. Playing physical, their styles are very similar.
Counted. Parehas matibay.
Yes, he's taking advantage of his long arms, trying to block the defense of Samson there. Samson grabs the offensive board and there's a foul on Villiers.
1-0.
Reminding both players that marked fouls warrant a 1 point to the other opponent. Remember, so easy on those fouls. Play hard still.
Parehas paguran to, kasi sino manalo dito. Kalabay na, boy. Counted.
Remember, better to bonding for this instead of keep reaching. That's going to be a problem moving forward. Score is 2-0. And Villiers grabs his own miss.
Kalabay. Boss, half time, Nathan. Shoutout mo. Basta. Lalaro ka mamaya?
Samson has already
Yun.
called 4 personal fouls. Oh! Villiers with that 2-pointer. Villiers.
Parehas, kalabay.
So far, good defense in that possession by Samson. A team he capitalized on it, but also
4-0 tayo.
so very even matchup. Let's see where this goes. 7 seconds. Samson. There's a foul. Watch those hands. Watch those hands. You gotta love it though. With both respect.
4-0.
5:40 remaining.
Sabi, bakbakan talaga sila. Wag. Wag. Foul. Counted.
Villiers here. So far, Villiers commanding the lead.
Shoot mo para 6-0 na.
6-0. But so far, he's been 1 of 3 from the free throw line. Let's see if he can capitalize on those free throws. Samson is 2 fouls away from an automatic penalty.
Nice one.
Body though, but still gets it in by Villiers. 7-0. With 5 minutes remaining.
Bag.
Jumper. Oh!
8-0.
It's now 8-0.
Parehas talaga. Kaldagan.
This game is over.
Nice one.
Nice spin.
Ay, sayang.
Release. This is the chance of Samson to launch
Time out. Okay, game 8-0. Bola ni JC. Grabe, bakbakan. Foul.
There's still a lot of time left. There's over 4 minutes left.
8-1.
Both legs are very empty. Yeah.
9 personal fouls total in this game between the two players.
Also, not a lot of room given for both. Oh,
Great defense.
At luck.
What a great defense there.
8-1 tayo, 8-1. Lamang si Kanoy.
it's just that TNSC's have more footwork.
Mo.
2-pointer. Samson.
Why is he catching this great player up?
3:34 remaining.
You gotta respect it though. Both players playing really hard.
Let's see Samson. How will he react? Samson.
Okay. Both have a total of 10 fouls in this game. Samson though might have to start really picking it up. He's down by 7 points.
8-2.
Shot clock winding down.
7 seconds.